Hi, I'm Leonardo Mendolicchio, here to guide you through LG education products and solutions. Smart classrooms are no longer a future concept. They are here now. For educators who understand the importance of displays in modern teaching, LG offers the perfect solution. Integrating displays in smart classroom enhances learning efficiency, fosters interaction, and makes content more accessible. The 75-inch LG Create board is the ultimate interactive digital board designed to meet the needs of modern educational settings. The LG Create board core contains all the essential features for effective teaching. It supports OPS module installation, so you can add a Chrome OPS for seamless access to Google services and applications. The LG Create board builds on the core model with added functionality. Authorized for Google mobile services, LG Create board integrates seamlessly with Google accounts. It also provides access to the Google Play Store, allowing you to download educational apps, tools, and games for your lessons. You can use LG Create Board Lab to create interactive and engaging lessons. LG Create Board Share makes it easy to share materials with students. The LG Create Board Pro includes all the features of the LG Create Board with added AI-powered functionality. On-device AI is designed to save time and enhance productivity by streamlining tasks. It offers key features in recognition, prediction, and translation, making it a valuable tool for users across various educational settings. Safety should always be prioritized in educational spaces. Now we can also enhance safety using smart solutions. With LG Gen 2 Kiosk, powered by our partner Kokomo 24/7 solutions, schools can easily manage visitors' entry and exit, and use it as an emergency alert system to enhance campus safety. Now, smart management of on-campus displays is just as important. With LG Connected Care DMS license, you can monitor and control all digital displays across the school from one platform, or send emergency messages instantly to every screen when needed. The File Box feature makes things even easier. Each account includes 1 GB of cloud storage, so you can save frequently used materials like lesson plans or announcements. And with the broadcasting function, you can instantly share saved content across all connected displays with just a few clicks. With LG, you have everything you need to create the smart classroom you have always imagined. Let's build it together today. Thank you.